Tired of your Google Calendar being flooded with old Coursera deadlines? Here is how to remove them in under a minute. We will go step by step. Open Settings, find the Coursera calendar, and unsubscribe. Let us clean it up. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser. You want to be on the main calendar page where you can see your events, not just the settings page. This is the view you normally use to check your day. Now look at the left sidebar. You will see a section called Other Calendars.
This is where Google Calendar keeps all the extra calendars you have added over time, not just your main one. And here is the thing. By default, it can get pretty crowded. Scroll down in that Other Calendars list until you spot the Coursera calendar. It is usually named something straightforward like Coursera or Coursera Deadlines. Take your time, it is in there. Once you have found it, hover your cursor right over the name of the Coursera calendar. You will see 3 vertical dots appear to the right of the name. Click on those 3 dots.
That opens up a small menu of options. From that menu, choose Settings or Settings and Sharing. It just says Settings. This will open a new settings page specifically for that Coursera calendar. Now scroll all the way down that settings page. Keep going past all the options about notifications and access permissions. You are looking for the Remove Calendar section at the very bottom. It is the last thing on the page. Here's the simple part. Click the button that says Unsubscribe. A small confirmation box will pop up asking if you are sure. Just click Remove Calendar to confirm. And that is it. The Coursera calendar and all its old deadlines vanish from your view. Now you are back to a clean, organized calendar showing only your personal and work events. No more digital clutter from courses you have already finished. You just saved yourself a solid minute of scrolling every single day. At AI Mastery, we believe productivity tools should work for you, not the other way around. You just made that happen.